Very good morning, dear student of standard 5th. Again I have came with another lesson from your EVS 2 textbook. Okay, that is lesson number 9. Settled life and urban civilization, textbook, page number 39 to 44. See, before writing the notes, again I will tell you, you have to read a complete book. You have to read down the lesson. Then only you can understand about the thing what it is written in the notes. Okay. So let's get started now. See, this is the fill in the blanks of lesson number 9. Okay. I am showing you the answer directly. See, first one, dash introduce a method for classifying prehistoric, historic, artifact and antique object. So the answer is Christian Thompson. Next one, the dash age was the age of many invention and rapid changes. So the answer is copper. Next question is, dash is generally agreed with the wheel was first used by dash. So the answer is Potter. The skilled craftsmen had their settlement and center of production in the dash area of the villages. So the answer is industrial. The village settlement was the dash area expanded rapidly. Answer is industrial. Now come with the multi-choice question. I am showing you the answer. See, actually dash was the first metal used by human. What was the first metal? Gold. Man discovered dash metal for making tools and implements. Answer is copper. As the scale of production increased, dash to expand with it. Answer is trade. Sign and symbol had already come into use for the purpose of dash record keeping. Broken pieces of dash was sign has been found in large number during excavation. Answer is clay pots. Come to next question. Write the consequence of the following event. Discovery of copper. So copper was used for making tools and implements by human. Discovery of wheels. Wheel was the first used by the potter and later for running bullock cart and carriages. Use of script. Script is used for permanent record keeping production and other event. Now the next question is, arrange the following in the chronological order. First one is copper, gold, iron. You have to arrange it. Now the first answer will be gold, copper and then iron. Second one, copper age, iron age and stone age. So the answer is stone age, copper age and iron age. Now let's come to question answers. Answer in one sentence. So what is the first question? Name the method used by Christian Thompson to classify prehistoric artifact and antique object. So the answer is Christian Thompson used the 3-age system to classify prehistoric artifact and antique object, which belief emerged due to a Thompson finding. So the answer is Thompson's finding lead to believe that copper was the first metal to come into use. Why was man unable to use gold for making tools and implements? Man was unable to use gold for making tools and implements because gold is a soft metal. Which is the most important invention of the copper age? Answer is, the most important invention of the copper age is a wheel. In which village settlement did the industrial area emerge? Answer is, the industrial area emerged in those village settlements where the raw material was easily available and those which was conveniently suited for trade. Next question. Why did the potters and other craftsmen live close to each other in a village settlement? Answer is, the potter and the other craftsmen live close to each other in a village settlement to manage their work easily. Which are the factors that brought people together engaged in the different type of work? Answer is, long distance trade, rapid transportation of goods and center of large scale production are the factors that brought people together engaged in a different type of work. Next question. Which factor contribute to the emerge of development of cities? The rise in trade contribute to emerge the development of cities. Where was the culture of the cities rooted? The culture of the cities were rooted in the culture of the village settlement of a new stone age. Now come to give reasons. Give reason for the following statement. The wheeled vehicle like carts and carriages were brought into use. So the answer is, trade expanded with increase in production. There was a needed to change the old system of transport. Therefore, the wheeled vehicle like carts and carriages were brought into use. Each culture developed into own script. What is the answer? The increase in trade and production resulted in the volume of record keeping. The increase of volume of record keeping required modification and improvement in the sign of symbol to serve their purposes. In this way, each culture developed into own script. Now, write the short notes. Use of metal. What is the use of metal? First point, gold was the first metal used by man. But see, gold was the first metal used by man, but man has used to learn copper first. Okay. Now gold was soft metal, so they cannot make anything up from gold except jewelry. Okay. However, gold is soft metal. It cannot be used for making tools and implements. Copper and iron were used for making tools and implements. Social organization is an ancient cities. The culture of the cities had its root in the culture of village settlement of a new stone age. The faith system rooted into an agricultural way of life continued in the urban way of life. The social life and festival having root to the agricultural faith system become more elaborate into our cities. Grand temples were built in many cities. The chief of the temple became the chief administration of those cities. Later, the same individual held the position of a king and the temple head. So, students, write the notes and keep learning. Okay? Till then, stay safe. Have a good day. Again, I will come with the next notes so that you can carry it down for writing your exams. Till then, thank you.